So Salsa and Bachata Society is about learning two dance styles, salsa and bachata, and also it's about meeting new people, making friends, and then socializing.
The society is meant for fun. It's meant to teach people how to learn how to dance. People can come if they've never danced before, and people can come if they have danced before, and it's open for anyone and everyone. The society has 2 classes a week, one on Tuesday for salsa and one on Wednesday for bachata. Each class is around 2 hours long and you can come at any time throughout the year, as the first class tends to be always a beginner's class. For the first hour will be beginners, second hour will be the intermediate, get people to know a few more of the moves, and then after that, after each class we always have a social that goes on that lasts around for about an hour. And it's a great time for people to practice their skills, socialise a bit and generally have a bit more fun.
So anyone can join society because nobody has like a designated partner. Everyone dances with everyone. So for example, in a class, everyone stands in a circle and then the leaders or the followers, they have to swap. So they move one person along in a circle. So this way you get to meet and speak with everyone. Leading is a little bit more difficult because you have to remember the moves and exactly how to move your body just to make the follower follow the move and to do what you're planning to do. By becoming a member, you get deals even outside of university. For example, there's 2 dance classes which are happening outside of university on Tuesdays, and some of them are on Fridays. So on Friday, the usual price for classes is £10. Student deal, it's £8, but our society members pay £7.
We're the Salsa and Bachata Society and we hope to see you soon.
Bye!